Hello! Today's January 23rd, 2017. It's time to get back on the horse after a long week of not being able to vlog. What do we got here? Does that mean we can't go outside? Probably for the best. Anyway, it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I still haven't even... This is the first time I've picked up my camera to talk to you today. And I don't know why that is. I had kind of an extreme calm come over me, and was like, oh, I'll figure it out, because I don't want to sort of rush into making shit. I wanted to make something I would think about and then make it. That was an innovative approach to the vlogging process. But I did realize I better get some content going, so here we are. Let's see what I come up with.
I will speak in rhyme, 1-1, 2 time, because it will ease the delivery of the following lines. A baby found. A baby is found on the shores of the East River, and so Willow began. And so this adventure begins. It was a bright, sunshiny spring day. No, I'm lying. It was cold, and it was fall, and it was raining, and it was Thursday. The importance of Thursday will eventually be revealed, however. We have more important issues to discuss. This is a briefing. This suggests impending adventure. Confused by you. I'm confused by you because I don't know what you're doing here. What?
Well, that got very art film very quickly. But I just have a few more moments with you here, folks. There's an art piece I did about a year and a half ago. It's a coloring book concept that I always have in my mind. Things coming up this week. I'm debuting the What's Around the Block series, and I'm filming my second episode of that on Wednesday as well. Both of those things happening on Wednesday. So I'm excited, and that's going in an interesting direction. I'm going to help shoot a short film with John Filson for a side project he's got going for Human in Sight. There's going to be a mascot head involved, and so far I've had a good time with that. So, thanks for watching. I hope you guys are well, and I'll catch you on the flippy. Peace.